For 60 years, we believed we had the map of time figured out. We told ourselves that after the Big Bang, there was a long, lonely period of darkness called the cosmic dark ages. It was a simple rule. Massive galaxies need billions of years to grow. They need time for gravity to collect gas, time for stars to ignite, and time for structures to stabilize. But then, we turned on the James Webb Space Telescope. We didn't just see stars. We saw a ghost in the machine. In the deepest, earliest parts of our universe, where there should be nothing but cold, unformed dust, we found giants. Ancient, massive, bright galaxies that look like they belong in the modern universe. It's like discovering a modern city buried under prehistoric fossils. This wasn't supposed to happen. According to our current models, this shouldn't be possible. Today, we confront the reality that we were never meant to see this far. In cosmology, we have something called the Standard Model. It's the rule book of reality. It predicted that the first galaxies would be small, messy, and dim, like a child's first drawing. But JWST didn't find drawings. It found masterpieces. These impossible galaxies, some nicknamed the universe breakers, are sitting at a time when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Think about that. According to our current understanding of gravity, there is literally not enough time for that much mass to congregate. According to current calculations, there simply isn't enough time for this to happen. Physicists are now faced with a terrifying choice. Either our models are missing something, or our timeline of the universe is incomplete. Are we living in a timeline that is far older than we can even measure? To see this far, JWST uses a trick called infrared vision. As the universe expands, it stretches the light from ancient stars. What was once visible light is now stretched into the infrared spectrum. This is redshift. When observations break theory, scientists usually search for new physics. But some are asking a far more uncomfortable question. By looking at this redshift, we are effectively looking at a recording of the past. But here's a scandal. The more we look, the more we see things that look too perfect. Massive spiral galaxies with billions of stars already in place. Some scientists are beginning to wonder if we are seeing a reflection. A cosmic glitch where the laws of physics are mirroring a previous era. If these galaxies shouldn't exist in our Big Bang timeline, did they come from somewhere else? Is it possible that our Big Bang wasn't the beginning, but just a transition from something older? This leads us to the darkest possibility of all. In computer science, render distance is used to save memory. You only render what the player is expected to see. For billions of years, humans were limited by the naked eye, then by primitive glass. We were never expected to build a machine that could see the first billion years of existence. As JWST pushes toward the absolute limit of light, it is finding impossible data. Is the system struggling to provide coherent information for a part of the simulation it never intended to load? Are these impossible galaxies signs of a deeper structure we were never meant to observe clearly? Every time we find a galaxy that breaks the rules, we are essentially pinging the source code of reality. And the universe is starting to lag. We used to think the more we saw, the more we would understand. We thought JWST would bring the final piece of the puzzle. But instead, it threw the puzzle on the floor. We are now looking at a sky that defies everything we've been taught. We are standing in a new era of ignorance, where the stars are no longer our guides, but our biggest questions. Perhaps the most terrifying truth is not that we are alone, but that we are living in a universe that has secrets so old, it refuses to let us read them. We are staring into the dark, and for the first time, we thought the universe would explain itself as we look deeper. Instead, it's asking us questions we don't know how to answer. Stay curious. Stay careful. This is Cosmos Protocol.